In this video, we are going to tell you about 5 super useful mobile Safari tips that you can use in your daily life. By using these Safari tips, you can make the experience of browsing the web on your iPhone or iPad a lot more convenient. So without wasting any time, let's get started with 5 super useful mobile Safari tips for iOS users. The first tip lets you quickly close all tabs at once. No matter if you have 5 or 500 tabs opened, you can instantly get rid of them in a single action. In order to instantly get rid of all the tabs opened on your iPhone, simply tap and hold on the tab switcher button. And then from the menu, tap on Close All Tabs. As you can see, all the tabs have disappeared instantly, saving you a lot of time and effort. When you are browsing a website like iOSHacker.com, which have a lot of links, you can get lost pretty quickly. After browsing through 5 or 10 pages, you might want to return to a page that you visited earlier. At this point, you can either tap on the back button multiple times or use this super handy history menu that can be accessed by long pressing the back button. When you tap and hold on the back button, you will gain access to a history page. This history page will list all the web pages that you have visited on this tab previously. In order to return to any particular page, simply tap on it and you will be taken to that page instantly. And the great thing is, this works both ways. So you can tap and hold on the forward button and access the history menu for the pages that you have visited afterwards. You can simply tap on any of the page and go to it directly. On mobile Safari, there are many ways to open a link in a new tab. Many of you would know that you can tap and hold on a link and then tap on Open in New Tab to perform this action. However, there are more than one ways to do this. For example, on 3D Touch enabled devices, you can pressure tap on a link and then swipe up to access the Open in New Tab button. There's also a third way that allows you to open a link in a new tab. To do so, you have to tap on the link with 2 fingers. As you can see, it can take some getting used to, but once you do, I think it is the fastest way to do it. If you use desktop Safari and your iPhone and Mac are connected to the same iCloud account, you can access all the tabs that are opened on your desktop right on your iPhone. You can access the web pages that are opened on your Mac by simply accessing the tab switcher screen and then swiping up. As you can see, all the web pages that are opened on my Mac are also listed here. I can simply tap on one of the links and it will load up instantly. This last tip is particularly useful for iPad users. Many websites such as YouTube.com load their mobile versions when you open them on your iOS device. This can be very annoying, especially when you are on an iPad, which can easily handle the desktop version of the website. Thankfully, you can easily access the desktop version of any website by simply tapping and holding on the refresh button and then tapping on Request Desktop Site. As you can see, by using the Request Desktop Site button, we can easily open the desktop version of any website and use it just like we can on desktop Safari. So there you go folks, this was our look at 5 super useful mobile Safari tips that you can use in your daily life. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos. We will see you in our next one.